Muscle cramps can be incredibly frustrating, especially when they strike suddenly and interrupt your day or even your sleep. While there are many potential causes of muscle cramps, one of the most important and often overlooked factors is nutrition. The food you eat, or don't eat enough of, can make a huge difference in how frequently cramps occur and how severe they feel. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the essential nutrients that support healthy muscle function, the foods richest in these nutrients, and practical advice on how to adjust your diet to keep cramps at bay. Let's begin with understanding why minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium are so critical for preventing muscle cramps. These minerals are electrolytes, meaning they carry an electric charge that helps transmit nerve signals and control muscle contractions. When these minerals become imbalanced or deficient, your muscles may contract involuntarily, leading to cramps. Magnesium. The relaxing mineral magnesium plays a vital role in over 300 biochemical processes in your body. For muscle function, it acts like a natural muscle relaxant. When your muscle fibers contract, magnesium helps them relax afterward. Without sufficient magnesium, muscles tend to remain contracted, which can cause painful cramps. Unfortunately, many adults, especially older adults, don't get enough magnesium through their diet. Modern farming practices and processed foods have reduced the magnesium content in many common foods. Stress, alcohol consumption, and certain medications also increase magnesium loss through urine. So, where can you find magnesium naturally? Dark leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard are excellent sources, as are nuts such as almonds and cashews. Whole grains, beans, seeds, and even dark chocolate provide magnesium too. Including a variety of these foods in your meals helps ensure you meet your daily magnesium needs. Potassium, the electrical conductor. Potassium is another key electrolyte responsible for proper nerve and muscle function. It works closely with sodium to maintain fluid balance and send electrical impulses that control muscle contractions. When potassium levels are low, a condition known as hypokalemia, muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue are common symptoms. Many people associate bananas with potassium, and for good reason. They are rich in this mineral. But bananas aren't the only potassium powerhouse. Sweet potatoes, avocados, spinach, and beans also offer high potassium content. Additionally, citrus fruits like oranges provide potassium plus vitamin C, which supports overall health. One important note about potassium. If you have kidney disease or are on certain medications, your potassium levels might need to be monitored carefully. So always consult your doctor about your individual needs. Calcium, the muscle contraction starter. Calcium is widely known for its role in building strong bones, but it's just as important for muscle function. Calcium ions trigger muscle contraction when they enter muscle cells, and their removal allows muscles to relax. A lack of calcium can disrupt this process and lead to spasms or cramps. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are traditional sources of calcium, but there are many non-dairy options for those who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based diets. Fortified plant milks, tofu made with calcium sulfate, broccoli, kale, and almonds all provide calcium as well. Vitamin D also plays a role here by helping your body absorb calcium effectively, so don't overlook that vitamin in your diet. Hydration, the unsung hero. While minerals are critical, they cannot do their job without proper hydration. Water transports electrolytes throughout your body, keeps muscles lubricated, and supports overall cellular function. Dehydration thickens your blood and reduces the efficiency of nutrient delivery to muscle tissues. This can increase the likelihood of cramps, especially during or after exercise, in hot weather, or if you have illnesses that cause fluid loss. Besides plain water, fruits and vegetables with high water content, like cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, and celery, contribute to hydration. At the same time, it's wise to limit caffeine and alcohol intake, as both have diuretic effects that can promote dehydration and mineral loss, the role of other nutrients. While magnesium, potassium, and calcium get most of the attention, other nutrients also support muscle health and cramp prevention. Sodium, while excess sodium can be harmful, small amounts are necessary to maintain electrolyte balance, especially for those who sweat a lot. Vitamin B complex. Vitamins like BY01, B6, and B12 support nerve health and may reduce cramping related to nerve function. Vitamin E and C. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and improve circulation, potentially lowering cramp frequency. Protein. Should be adequate protein intake supports muscle repair and recovery. Meal planning tips to reduce muscle cramps. Incorporating these nutrients into your daily meals doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some simple ideas. Breakfast. Start your day with oatmeal topped with sliced bananas, a handful of almonds, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This combo provides magnesium, potassium, calcium, and fiber. Lunch, enjoy a mixed green salad with spinach, avocado, grilled chicken or chickpeas, and a citrus vinaigrette. This meal delivers potassium, magnesium, protein, and vitamin C. Dinner. Try roasted sweet potatoes with steamed broccoli and baked salmon or tofu. These foods offer calcium, potassium, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein. Snacks. Snack on yogurt with pumpkin seeds or hummus with cucumber slices for a mineral-rich boost. Should you take supplements? While eating a balanced diet is the ideal way to meet your nutritional needs, sometimes supplements are helpful, especially if you have a diagnosed deficiency or certain medical conditions. Magnesium supplements are popular for cramp prevention. Forms like magnesium citrate or glycinate are often better absorbed and easier on the digestive system. However, taking too much magnesium can cause diarrhea or interact with medications, so it's important to consult your health care provider before starting any supplement. Potassium supplements are usually only recommended under medical supervision due to the risk of heart problems from excess potassium. Calcium supplements are widely used, but best taken with vitamin to improve absorption, lifestyle factors that complement nutrition. Nutrition alone isn't a magic bullet. Regular exercise, including stretching, helps maintain muscle flexibility and blood flow, reducing cramp risk. Staying active improves circulation, allowing nutrients to reach your muscles efficiently. Avoid overexertion, and if you're starting a new exercise routine, build up gradually while ensuring proper hydration and nutrition. Muscle cramps can disrupt your life, but nutrition gives you powerful tools to reduce their frequency and severity. By focusing on magnesium, potassium, calcium, proper hydration, and a nutrient-rich diet, you support your muscles and overall health. Combine these with an active lifestyle and good habits, and you'll be well on your way to fewer cramps and better well-being. Thank you for spending this time exploring nutrition's role in muscle cramps with us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Healthwise Living. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll help you identify signs of low magnesium and provide natural ways to restore balance. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, starting supplements, or if you experience frequent or severe muscle cramps.